Morgen. Hast du gut geschlafen? Wenn ja, dann... Kannst du mich jetzt endlich Morgen. Na?
Hello. Wow. What the? Why is the microphone like blasting everyone's head off? Oh wow. I don't understand. Why is that so? You know, I've gone all the way from like having 10 decimal to now going around 5 decimal, and I don't know. Is it just me that I speak louder on certain days or quieter on certain days, or is it just because I've just updated OBS and it's now throwing different wild values everywhere? And oh, so mad. Let's check if we can actually sound okay coming through. So mad. We check if we can actually sound okay coming through. Well, there's echo there, but is it echo because it's coming through to OBS? Or what? I hope there's no echo. I seriously do. I hope there's no echo. I hope there's no echo. There's an echo. Ah, really? Try that. Really? Really? Try that. Really? Disable desktop audio, stop it coming through. And adjust the microphone volume. Disable desktop audio, stop it coming through. Okay. And adjust the microphone. Max volume now. This is now at maximum volume. Okay. Max volume now. This is now at maximum volume. Oh. Max volume now. Well, let's hope. Well, oh. Is that no? Okay, I hope that has solved that. I hope anyway. Okay. Aha! There we are. There we are. Excuse me. Just as I went live, I got a text from a chemist telling me medication's ready, so I forget that today. Maybe I'll not be as windy, burping and whatnot. Maybe feeling less bloated overall. Last day. Well, just over a day, isn't it? And did you know if you click the cat, what's there if you've got whatever she was doing, not stretching on the phone or whatever? You got the cat there, you click on it, and then you get this animation. And I've not seen anywhere else you can click to maybe make that animation progress to a third stage. But hey, could be something ridiculous like a really tiny thing. That's not it. But yeah, cool. Cool little thing. I've just gone and updated my store page. Is it fed through yet? No. I've got me publisher that's now using the same as developer, since it's just me. And it's like, I guess I should now focus more on a brand rather than a person. My glasses on, it feels a bit bright. It's a bright day. The outside light might be amplifying it. It's also a wet and rainy day. The bottom of the garden's turning into a pond, which has only ever done it. This is the second time I've noticed since I've moved into the property, but it has been raining quite heavily the last couple of days, so I shouldn't be surprised. There's plenty of greenery that'll soak that right up, so it's not a risk of causing any issues to my property. Ooh. So, same thing. I think we decided we should focus more on these small modules and see what they're gonna work out or look like for the player Corvette. Oh, what are you doing? Let me click. So, Engine Brewster is now Buster Optimizer. City rate. Or like engine tuning. That'd be nice. Could just block rename. So I'm just winning me eye. Blurring my vision. Right, it's totally blurred. Blink. We shall see. Once we've done that, at least we can click that and then we can do that. I can do that. There we go. Only took a few minutes. Whee! Well, so we've got engine tuning and engine optimizer. Now, engine tuning. That's the engine maximum velocity. Yeah, I don't know, there's easy ways of doing it. Oops. Okay, velocity, right? Engine tuning, 176 to... Right, so now it's more. But why is this? Not greatly more. Does it need to be greatly? No, it doesn't need to be great. Just it needs to show it's a bit more involved. Anime GM. Hello. A bit of a weird first message to come in and say you are testing something. Good for you. If you're looking for participants, you're going about it the wrong way. Because I am developing something. And also testing as well. Ah, it makes two of us. Fantastic, yeah. So engine velocity ruined. 5%, thank you. Yep. Let's see. Which one did I just do? Optimizer. We have 18, 28, 27. Yeah, that works. That's fine. So we've now done thrusters and engines for those two types. And then I was trying to think of a way to handle armor plating. Game crashed. Okay. Yeah, so like, if I wanted to add specific amount of armor plating, then doesn't quite stack up. I'm doing it all percentage, so we'll just have to stick with percentage based changes. However, that does change the way it would need to be dealing with certain aspects. In how so currently, excuse me, we've got this stacking penalizer, or we get penalized on values. I suppose if we're doing it the way we're thinking of doing it, then hit points wouldn't be in that chart and therefore it doesn't penalise. However, if we're doing a negative value, then it can't penalise there either. Which is a bit... how would we handle that? It's a bit of an odd one, given our limitations. We need sort of rule to deal with that. Because maybe on some things we want to penalise negative values, but others we do not. But the question is, do we want this chart in the first place? Or do you just want to say, well, this module has to penalise? Won't somebody answer the phone? So we just got this thing that says, are we gonna penalise there? And yeah, no, maybe. Who knows? Why don't I add tags in the description to increase your audience? Because there's tags already in the tags. Anyway, don't you put the tags in the title as well? Not particularly up to date with how YouTubers. Yeah, I know what you mean by a tag. But there's tags already in the tags, which acts like tags, so I don't get YouTube's tagging of tags in the title because they're just keywords anyway. So what does actually YouTube do with a hashtag that's different to having the word in the title anyway, you know? So you say do hashtag Gamedev, but I've got Gamedev there in the title. So what would a hashtag actually do above and beyond that by the algorithm? What does it? Does it do anything different, or is it just a gimmick, or which they just like Twitter? That's a gimmick. Hashtags are gimmicks because it also again looks at words, and unless you're really popular, you're not really going to get a beneficial. You say trust me, it's going to help a lot, but bro, source. Don't just trust no randoms on the internet. Do you have a source for this to prove it helps a lot? Like from YouTube themselves saying this is how it handles it differently above and beyond? No, I don't think you did. Search on YouTube, you will find. Why do I have to search on YouTube? All I'm going to find when I search on YouTube is people who've created YouTube videos saying, hey, look, you should use these tags. And unless they reference a source from YouTube themselves, why would I be looking at other YouTubers to get that information? I would want to get that directly from YouTube themselves, the people who create the platform and know exactly how it works, and not just trust someone else who's posted a video who then doesn't provide any source. You see the issue? This is how disinformation works. You know, he's like, I'll just trust this video even though it's got no source. I'll just trust what this person says even though they've not got no source. And then they just trust it, and then they spread that disinformation, and well, it then becomes a popular disinformation with a no factual basis. You get me? I lose a lot. Of course you lose. I'm now making effort, putting tags in stuff without any source or any proof that it's gaining me anything. If it's not gaining me anything, it's wasting my time by spending time to do that thing. So I lose a lot. I'm losing my time, and my time is valuable. So I don't know why you're just willingness to just accept sources without any sources of information, without any source that is firmly grounded or gained from like the people who created it. So in this term, YouTube, like YouTube support page, searching for tags in that. Now if there's information on that, yeah, and maybe I'll have a look, but I will look at a trusted source. I wouldn't just trust no random video that appears first on the YouTube algorithm. Because all it means is that video got engagement, and all those comments in the video can say, this is a load of shit, you are lying, this video is total false. But the YouTube algorithm pushes it up, say, look, people are engaging with this video. It must be popular. We don't care that people don't like the video, or the video's portraying false information. Let's push it up the ranking. And then it becomes popular. For the wrong reason. And then society loses as a whole. Because they just accept random pieces of information on the internet without any factual basis and just spread that disinformation. And then what do we lose? A lot. A lot more than a bit of time. We end up with lots of videos with lots of disinformation and people spreading that disinformation, and then we don't even know what's true anymore. And then when people go out into the open world and use that wrong knowledge and information, they find out they're not going to get very far, or that everything starts falling around them. So, probably get rid of that. That would then mean this would be maybe a tick box saying, do we penalise or do we not? Because if we're not penalising one stat, then we shouldn't penalise the other stat. And then that might work better. But then that ruins the whole thing, and then I have to start checking to make sure. Like, you have 0 health structure now. Well done. And maybe also other things like having more than one item. But then that can be dealt with. Yeah, it can just be dealt with on certain conditions, like your speed is 0 or negative, so you no longer can go anywhere. Your health is now 0, so you're just going to explode if you launch. You have no turn rate, so you cannot turn anymore. So, oh gosh. So let's not look at armor plating, but armor regen, that's easier to do because we don't have to change anything there. No, it's repair optimization. I think we'll just have to make sure as we're going through here, make it British, and then we can just say, do a replacement, Well, there's an S here. Use a Z. Do you Z? I Z. So now repair optimization, armor regenerate. Now armor regenerate. Let's have a look at what that would do at the most basic of values. And what we're doing? Oh, we're doing high. To low. Or is it armor regen would also be low to high? Because the bigger the ship, the slower the regen. Yeah, let's go with low to high for that. So that's hit points. Regen right. Hit points. So starting off at 9. And ending at 33. Yeah. And then like 39. Okay, we'll go with that for now. Yeah, it's crashed again. Well, fuck. You might want to check your OBS settings for your mic. I can tell you're using the wrong mic, or it's an echo. That's very wrong. I was faffing around with it at the start because it seemed like it was echoing, and then it seemed like I had solved it. So now the question is, maybe OBS has been updated, so maybe it's actually feeding through my voice twice. That makes sense. Yeah, I know what you're saying. I tried, like I said, I did it earlier. It's not easy because I'm using the 2 machines set up, and the machine that's streaming, I don't get the audio coming through other than what's being fed through my other machine. So if I'm listening to my main machine, then it's just going to amplify anyway and make it difficult to check. So I'm just going to try and open it up on my phone and listen to see what the problem is, and then see if we can solve it out this way. Long workarounds. Well, I'm not saying I don't believe you, because you got nothing to lose by saying that. So now I'm going to confirm what the issue is, and hopefully I can resolve it. But I'm not surprised, because OBS has updated itself this morning, and generally OBS breaks things left, right and centre, along with Windows updates. Now I just have to find my channel. Oh my word. There we go. Do a search for me. Hey, here I am, and then quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. Yeah. Right, so I'm in stereo, and last time it was because I moved the volume down on the microphone. So the volume's down now, does that fix it? Sounds like it's put a lot more static into it as well. So, let's see. Speaking for oh, I had the microphone turned off, so I was speaking to myself. Oh great, and now is that static actually coming through on the stream? Or is that just my device connection? Coming through the stream? Or is that just my device connection? Quick brown. Oh, I can't even test that way, can I? Quick brown. Can't even test that way, can I? Yeah. Okay. So even freaking devices. Messing me around, but hey, well, Good job on a small streamer with very little audience. We've got nothing to lose, have we? Is that muted? Yes. Come on. Play. So I've now got static in that ear. I've got static in this ear. Testing, quick brown fox and all that. Right, one thing at a time. We'll try and figure out the Right, so first of all, I'll just go into the app settings. Connecting, thank you, connected. Right. Today on firmware. Now the testing begins, so I'll just disable desktop audio from the start. Yep, that just sorted it out straight away. So what settings in here do I need to play around with? That's a default device. That's default device. Just going through to the speakers. So should I actually my ears are bleeding, thank you. Let's see, change device to be my speakers. And then let's see what happens there. Nothing. It's not even monitoring that. So if I do this and then do the same on here with the speaker, so I'm now using my speakers. And it's still happening. Testing now. Testing now. Audio monitor. How interesting that has now solved it. Headphones in headphones, wow, magic. Right, so why would that do that? Now let's put the device on. And then it happens again, switch back to speakers. And then maybe we need to change this to selected device. Here we go. Same old issue. You can never figure it out. Now, there we go. Ah, fun times, my friends. Now, let's see if it's just these speakers, which are now very staticky, or not. Excuse me. The quick brown fox is going to jump over the lazy dog. Give me his volume, audio, please. Not wanting to speak. Is it you playing? Yes, it is. Sound cool. Bugger off. Maybe after now. Retry. Oh, right, let's close that. Power's off now. No. Now I need to go back into settings. It says it's not connected, so... Can I have... There we go. Audio is back. And I'm now just going to speak for a little whiffly waffly doffly whiffle waffle blah 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 blah. And now there is static in the audio. So we adjust the volume, and does that solve the static? Negative, static still there. Full volume again, is the static still there? And how is that? Still staticky. So, go back into here, turn off audio monitor. And audio monitor's off. Now gain is off and there's no difference. Now noise suppression is off and there's no difference. Quick brown fox is jumping over the lazy dog. Wow. Right, I'm just going to stop the stream and restart OBS, restart the stream and see what happens. Well, restarted. Waiting for the stream to update on my phone. It doesn't want to. You just start playing so I can see. Oh wow, it's sorted it, but how about if I turn the main volume down and what happens there? Is it? Well, that's working. Okay. My word, what an effort that was. OBS needed a restart to sort out whatever issues it was having with the microphone, glitchiness, scratchiness. That is now resolved, stream is back up. Ads manager is not wanting to tell me when ads are gonna go. Ads manager doesn't have a clue now because it's like, I was in the process of running ads and now you stopped and restarted me. Let me think about it until I decide to tell you I'm not going to run ads, and then it will be running ads. Incoming ad break. 1 minute. I'm going to take a short break after all that palaver and make myself another brew. I think I deserve it. So give us a minute. Be right back. Okay, okay, we are back. Hopefully everything's back in order and no other shit's gonna screw us over other than ads in progress. So how hilarious. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey, we're all back now. And hopefully everything's in order. Yeah, order. Everything's in order. So if it's not in order, then it is out of order. So armor regen, right click. Armor regen, right. So how do we do the prestige? Well, it's 9. Okay. 9. Ugh. So Helldivers has received an update and it seems it's less stable overall. Because I've got a streamer who keeps constantly crashing mid-mission. given that we're supposed to fix the once it crashes. Oops. Oh dear. Did I? No, I've not even changed anything. My word, mate. Can we just try and concentrate? Let's see. Ooh. That's expensive. Where's my music gone? Where's the no music? Hmm? What's that? Oh, there it is. Okay, but has changing that now caused loopback issues once again? Because that's what we changed. Nope. Let's put it back to that. And then come into filters in here, and then turn on audio monitor, and set that to Pro, and then that should be back to what it was. And if it's not, then oh my word, I'm just going to go scream somewhere loudly. Yes, scream loudly. I'm going to scream loudly. Really, really loudly. Yeah, there we go. Woo! Good job I can hear my own voice, otherwise I would have been speaking for ages without speaking to anyone. Now, 8 to 237. That's probably a bit expensive, is it not? Well, no, not really. Yeah. And then ooh. So, you know, slightly cheaper. And ooh, fitting points. Actually, why would it be cheaper? Maybe it'll cost less in terms of fitting points, but yeah. So that's at 12, add that. Eight. 5. Two, 3, 7, 9 to 237. Really? We just said it's cheaper. Well, maybe that doesn't show up. Yeah, it's not going to show up, is it? In fact, that would make more sense, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Yeah. we're still not. My hit points. Oh, really? You're wrong on that regard. You're wrong on that regard. Da, 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 da. Oh. We're doing the very thing we said we weren't going to do. Huh. So, repair. Then resistance. Yeah, more expensive. Might as well do the actual module in here, do it properly. Excuse me. Okay, and that still just leaves us with armor plating. And Yeah, okay. So as good as the stacking penalisation was, we're no longer going to do that. So be more global. So that when we come to do like armor plating, rather than saying it is a percentage, we can actually say, well, no, this is a specific value, and it's just gonna add on that. And then we don't penalise, yeah. Right, okay, that's how it's gonna be. But will it work? How do we do that? We're just adding it to a penalised list of percentages. Otherwise it's just percentages. That should just handle it with whatever it's doing. Oh look, more ads. Enjoy ads? We all enjoy ads around here. Let's see. Right, and that equals true. And does it reflect as being true or not? Fuck you then. In future, I'm sure it will. So, like armor plating, penalized, strap percentages, no. Armor regen, yes. Resistance, yes. Engines, yes. Thrusters, yes. And then it's like, hey, that's not a percentage. And then if penalized. What? No. What is it? If stat modifiers. Bollocks. Right, so that second one there, so calm down, my friend. It's the mod. Joule. So if the modifier if we are then do that. Otherwise, it's the same as not. Woof. Thank God, simple change. The only reference you've got is actually being in here. You're not actually used. Could have just modified that. Okay. Oh, it's not crashed. Oh dear. Well, I suppose it's a good thing. Sucky that we crashed at that point. Now the interesting thing would be just like how much so like when we look at hit points for Corvette, you got 15,000 there. We're looking at damage protection. We literally got 8 sides that were bolstering by an amount. So it's literally not per every side, but just literally how much we're adding on there. We look at that and oh. So given that a small artillery is like, oh, it's not going to be a percentage though, is it? See, now it requires more consideration. Let's see, how many hit points? That's all 0. Maybe needs all to be 0. Oop. Let's just modify that one. That. Whoops. Oh. I've got spreadsheets coming out my ears now. We'll get the armor points done and then we'll put the values in the game and let's see. See if shit sticks or not. Okay. Let's do this. Oh shit. Can't just do that because then... So... So we have engine velocity. That's engine velocity. Just, minus 2. Oops. So if hello. L7 is just or equal to 0. 0, otherwise that. There we go. That's more what we're after. Is that what we're going to go with? 10% around. Oops. Might just go with 10 at the minute, and I can faff around later. 5. How does that work out to be any better? Unless we do something really daft. So literally we could put 2,000 on for 512 or 2,000 for 880. Uh-oh. Right. I need to get somewhere now. Small. Don't. Oh, gosh. Right, then so with that. Okay. 256. Yeah. And then to 2000 and maybe. And then how does that work out to be the same? Yeah, the joys of, oh man. I guess zero value is really just no good. 0. 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. Oof. Well, I'll tell you what. Maybe, and get over. Nope. Gosh. No. Damn, that's not gonna work. Oh, yeah, it's just the way. Needs to calculate it a bit differently than a percentage rate adjustment, I guess. Though, how we do that? Oh, I'm not sure. I should think about that off stream. No. Yeah, I've had enough. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you next time. Hopefully, I'm back tomorrow as I continue to try and be a bit more regular in the stuff I'm doing. Let's get my dashboard open. Is it really worth? If you are wondering what I'm working on, Moobot, thank you. You check out that link there. It is in Twitch chat, and if you're watching on YouTube, it's on the YouTube chat. A-Spec First Assault, Space Combat game. There is a demo and is also in early access, so check it out. Bye for now.